Hi there my beautiful audience, welcome back to One Miss. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a password protected folder at Windows 10 without any using software. So in this video I'm gonna show you step-by-step guidelines, so let's get started. So first of all we need to go our drive, so I'm gonna here D drive, and let's create a new folder. So click on the right button of your mouse pointer and then click on the new, then click on a folder. So I'm gonna create here F demo. Alright, now click on that. Okay, so let's create a file here. Click on the new button and click a text document. Alright, so we're gonna rename it flock, L-O-C-K, and you need to save it as .txt format. Just click on the enter button. That's it. Now open the file with notepad, and I'm gonna paste a code here. So I will provide you this code in my video descriptions, so you can download it from there. Alright, so you can see that here is a code, so you have nothing to do here. You just come here and you can put your password here. Alright, so I'm gonna put my password here, PASS and 1234, just a demo password, and you need to click on the file button, then click on the save as, and yep, you should save that at BAT permit. So flock.bat and click on the save button. Okay, now you can see that here is two full file. One of is new created BAT and one of was .txt. So we need to click on the BAT file. So double click on there, and alright, you can see that here we got a new private folder. Okay, so such that this is our file, so I'm gonna move on there, and yep, go back. It's done. Now we need to double click on the flock button, and you can see that, are you sure to lock this folder? Yes or no. So as you wanna lock that folder, so we're gonna click on capital letter Y and click on the enter button. That's it. It's boom, we are done. So hit on the flock folder. You can see that enter your password to unlock your secure folder. That means we already secured our folder without any additional software. So let's try our password, PASS 1 2 3 and 4, and hit on the enter button. Okay, it's boom, it's opened. So guys, if you wanna face that this video is helpful to you, please hit on the subscribe button, and yeah, let's share this video with your friends and family. Goodbye.